All right, now we're going to move on to question 4. So question 4 is a graph question, and let us find 4a. So 4a, they want us to find the value of y. So basically just sub in your -4 into your equation. So you should get the answer of -3 point. Okay, so this one, for this question, they want us to draw the graph. I have inserted the answer key because it would be very inaccurate for me to draw my iPad. So your graph should look something like that over here. Okay, so this is how your graph should look like. And then use our graph to write down an inequality of x when y is greater than 4. So over here, you guys can see there's a line that is y is equals to 4. So when y is greater than 4, we can see that the x value here is 3.75. So therefore, x is greater than 3.75. Okay, so on the same grid, they want us to draw this graph. So if we want to draw this graph, we must first find what is y. So let's now move our y to the left side. So now y is equals to -105x plus 2. So this is the graph that we will be drawing based on. So as you guys can see, this is our line over here that we just drew. Okay, now let's move on to D part 2. So D part 2 is wanting us to find the intersections of the line. Show that the points of intersection of the line compute the solution to the equation of this. Yeah, change back to blue, gives us this. Okay, so how do we do this? We're going to use the substitution method. So y equals to -1/5. This, complicate matters. So 5y plus x equals to 10. This is our second equation. And our first equation is over here. Okay, so y equals to x cubed over 5. So this is our first equation. So now we're going to sub 1 into 2. Okay, so now this is how it will look like. 5 x cubed over 5 minus 2x plus 1 plus x equals to 10. Therefore, x cubed minus 10x plus 5 plus x equals to 10. And therefore, x cubed minus 10x plus x plus 5 minus 10 equals to 0. And therefore, x cubed minus 9x minus 5 is equals to 0, shown. Okay. Yeah, so now they want us to use our graph to solve the equation. Basically, all your x values are here. -2.7, -0.6, as well as 3.25. Of course, your answers may vary a little depending on how you drew your line, but as long as your answer doesn't deviate too much, it should be fine. Or 3.25. Okay, so this is the solutions for question 4.